Hey guys, Havasu Lou out in beautiful Lake Havasu. Hey, we're out here checking out a new 3-bedroom pool home listing. Hang out, check it out too, and I'll talk to you in a minute. All right guys, we're out here at 2282 Seabring Drive. This one was just listed a couple days ago for $550. Nice little pool home. Kind of a central area. It's nice all the way around, nothing really junky. You have a little bit of side access if you follow the line from these water boxes over. So there's a little bit of a side area, but not probably enough to park anything. The home next door is a little old, but it's well kept. Got some nice low maintenance desert type landscaping. Looks like they might have just refreshed it a little bit with some new gravel. So there's a real big front courtyard. They did the rolled eaves with the tile roof. Looks like they also put rain gutters, which is a kind of a unique thing here. Let's go on and check it out. All right, guys, this is a 3-bedroom, 2-bath pool home built in 2004. 1,486 square feet. Open floor plan, vaulted ceilings, split bedrooms. You have your little dining area and slider out to the backyard pool area. So this one has the granite tiled counters, the little eat at breakfast bar up here. They did the granite tile backsplash on this one as well. So you have a pretty nice lake view out of the kitchen window. You also have a nice pool shot out the kitchen window. So you have the master on the entry side. Carpet is in the master. You do have a slider out to the backyard. So you have your master bath with dual sinks, tile tops. Of course, your walk-in closet. Looks like they did laminate floors in here. So you have your toilet with its own door and your tiled walk-in shower. All right, let's go check out the other side. So you have the other 2 bedrooms, indoor laundry and garage access on the other side of the house off the kitchen. So we're just gonna mosey over here. So this would be guest bedroom number 1 or bedroom number 2. So you have your guest bath at the end of the hallway, tiled tops, tile to the ceiling shower. And then you have bedroom number 2 or bedroom number 3, guest bedroom number 2. All right, let's go take a look at the garage and the pool. So you have your indoor laundry and access to the garage. So you have a 3-car garage, has insulated doors. Says 26 feet, but there is a little kick out on here, so I'm not sure if that's 26 feet or this side's 26 feet. Does have an 8-foot insulated doors, have your water softener. Hot water. Does have a door out to the backyard pool area that we're gonna go check out right now. All right, so you have a nice backyard, pool set up, covered patio. I guess the pool is a newer pool. It's a pretty good size, actually. Has a nice little Baja shelf. Looks like the cool deck is in excellent condition. Has some pop-up cleaners, I notice. Could use a little brush out, but that's about it. Nice big hot tub. So if you guys ever build a pool and they ask you if you want the spillway covered or not, choose covered and you won't have to put bird spikes over the opening. So you have a killer lake view from the backyard pool area. So they built a little enclosure, lean-to type thing for the pool equipment. Has a heater and it's on propane for the spa. Here's your propane tank, and there's a little outbuilding, storage shed type thing. Hey guys, Havasu back again with you. Hope you enjoyed the quick little video walkthrough of the house over here on Seabring. Again, this one was just listed about 5 days ago for $550. I will put a direct link to the listing detail page right below this video in the details, so you can get all the original listing pictures, current price, and availability. Of course, if you guys have any questions at all, always feel free to reach out to me. All my contact information is right below this video as well. You guys have a great day, and I'll talk to you soon.